Good. This is your second subject. Your first subject today? Second or first subject?
Second.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Christine Aurora and this is my friend. Today we will be presenting the topic of printing and the printing process. After studying this unit, students are expected to identify paragraph structure, make topic sentence, develop supporting sentence, make concluding sentence, develop sentence into paragraph. After learning this unit, the students are expected to identify paragraph structure, write topic sentence, develop supporting sentence, write concluding sentence, and create a complete paragraph. Next, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of units, sentences that develop one main idea. Paragraph is what belong to explain the main idea theory. The paragraph is a group of units, sentences that discuss one main idea. The sentence in a paragraph shall be connect and support the same topic. Next, characteristic of a paragraph. A good paragraph has one main idea, contains relay sentence, is organized clearly, is easy to understand. A good paragraph has one main idea, relay sentence, well organization, and is easy to readers to understand. Next, paragraph structure. Paragraph consists of topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. Paragraph consists of three portions: part, topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. This part helps organize ideas clearly. Topic sentence. A topic sentence tells the main idea of the paragraph. It helps readers understand what the paragraph will discuss. A topic sentence is the sentence that states the main idea of the paragraph. It tells readers what the paragraph will be about. Next, example of topic sentence. What is price for two important characteristics in sentence introduce the main idea of the paragraph. The sentence what is price for two important characteristics is a topic sentence because is introduced the main idea. The following sentence will explain those characters. Next, concept of a topic sentence. Introduce the topic, control the discussion, buat supporting files, help reader focus on the main idea. Topic sentence introduce topic, control the discussion, buat supporting detail, and help the readers focus on the main idea. Supporting sentence. explained before big sentence. They provide facts, example details, and explanation that help readers understand the main idea better. Example of supporting sentence. The sentence book is prized for two important characteristic supporting sentence. Book has a clause duty. Book never quotes. Book is useful in industry. In this example, supporting sentence explain why book is valuable. They describe its beauty, presence, too. To provide and useful in industry. Next slide. Why are supporting sentence important? Supporting sentences are important because they help explain the main idea in more detail. They provide text, example, reason, or additional information that make the paragraph clear and more comprehensive. Without support sentence, readers may not fully understand the writer's message. Concluding sentence. A concluding sentence is the final sentence of a paragraph. Its purpose is to summarize the main idea and give a sense of person. A good concluding sentence helps readers understand that the discussion has ended and reinforces the main point of the paragraph. Example of concluding sentence. In conclusion, work is pleasure for its beauty and usefulness. Listen. To start the main idea of the paragraph, it reminds readers of the key points that were discussed on and provides an effective ending to the paragraph. Step to write a paragraph. There are 4 basic steps to write a paragraph. First, choose a topic that you want to discuss. Second, write a clear topic sentence that introduces the main idea. Third, add supporting sentence to explain and develop the idea. Finally, write a concluding sentence to summarize the paragraph and bring it to a proper ending. Developing sentence into a paragraph. To develop a paragraph, we start with a clear topic sentence. Then, we add supporting details such as fact, example, or explanation to explain the main idea. Finally, we end the paragraph with a concluding sentence. This method helps readers follow and understand our ideas more easily. Example, paragraph. Book is bright for 3 important characteristics. First, it has a beautiful appearance. Second, it does not corrode easily. And in addition, gold is readily used in industry. Therefore, gold is valued for both its beauty and usefulness. This paragraph is complete because it contains our three important parts: a topic sentence, supporting sentence, and a concluding sentence. Each sentence supporting the main idea, and the information is organized in a logical order, making the paragraph easy to read and understand. Common mistake. Some common mistakes in paragraph 13 include not having a clear topic sentence, using weak or unaware supporting details, forgetting to add a concluding sentence, and organizing ideas through it. These mistakes can make a paragraph confusing and difficult for readers to understand. Benefit of good paragraph writing. Good paragraph writing helps writers organize their ideas clearly and logically. It improves communication skills, supports academic writing, and makes information easier for readers to understand. As a result, the writer's methods can be delivered more effectively. Conclusion. To conclude a paragraph consists of a topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence. These three elements work together to present ideas clearly and effectively. By understanding and applying this structure, we can improve our writing skills and communicate our ideas more successfully. Is there any question? That is all from us. Please accept our